Today I am reviewing this ultra cool 2 bike rack. They sent me this to review and I thank them for that. It can fit really big e-bikes, has a good weight capacity, super adjustable, super easy to put up, just fits into your 2-inch receiver. You can see I have 2 very different bikes. I have a small foldable e-bike on the front, and in the back I have a regular 26-inch wheel mountain bike. And how they're adjustable I'll show you in a second, but it works really well. It's easy to put together, all solid powder coated steel, has rubber sliders. Let's take a closer look at it. All right, so here is the bike rack. You can see how it works is you have these little legs that everything sits into, and they're adjustable right here. You can see we have like this plastic bushing so you can slide it back and forth, and then they have these twist locks to tighten them up. You can see how it's going right there. It works really well. And then on the top, you have these top braces here with big foam, so you're not going to scratch anything. Same kind of system with this top post. And it has a little reflector there, which is nice. You see these hitch pins. Here's how it connects to the frame. Also has that lockable hitch if you want. I just put the normal one in, but it's cool. It came with both. Comes with 2 keys. You can see it right there. Also came with an anti-rattle clamp if you want. If you feel like it rattles around, you can use that. But see how it goes up? Puts it at a nice angle. It's not going to scrape or anything if you're using this on a car. I have this on my truck, but my plan is to put this on our small car so I don't always have to take the truck when we take the bicycles to a recreation trail. I'm going to put a 2-inch receiver on that, but for now, just showing you how it works on what I have that actually has a 2-inch receiver. You can see everything here. I'm going to take the bikes off and I'm going to show you how it folds up, and you can see it in a little closer detail, but it's super nice. They stay super secure, didn't rattle around or anything like that, and it's nice that they're at a nice height that you can take them off at. So now you can get a better look at everything without the bikes on it. You can see I have these loosened up, so they're pretty easy to slide back and forth whatever position you want them in. And we have these quick disconnects here. Just has a little hitch pin. Pull that down, put that back, and then it goes right into one of these holes right here. Lock it in place, and you pull this one out. And then it folds up. See, so it goes out of the way as well when you're not using it. So you can just keep this on. So it'll go back, so you can go out of the way, not sticking out a bunch like that. Pretty cool, really nice bike rack. You can see the quality of the steel, quality of the paint. Everything looks good. Like the high vis orange, like that has a little reflector if you're driving at night. And I hope this video helped you with your buying decision.